If you're looking to reset your dishwasher, here's a simple guide to help you do it. First things first, turn off your dishwasher. You'll want to locate the on-off button on the control panel and switch it off. If you just need to reset the program, look for a reset button on the control panel. In some cases, you may need to press two buttons at the same time to reset it. Check your dishwasher's manual for that specific combination. If the reset button or the button combination doesn't work, there's another method you can try. Unplug the dishwasher from the wall socket. This will ensure the dishwasher is completely powered off. Leave it unplugged for about 1 to 5 minutes to fully reset the system. After that, plug it back in and check if it's working properly. If none of that works, then you might need to go a step further. Turn off the circuit breaker that supplies power to the dishwasher. This is like a hard reset, and it can often clear any issues the appliance might be facing. Wait for about 5 minutes, then turn the circuit breaker back on. Finally, after the circuit breaker is turned back on, plug the dishwasher back into the wall socket, and it should be ready to go again.